Namaste. My name is Sandeep Solanki. Today we are going to learn one of the most commonly used pranayama and one of the most effective pranayama called as Anulom Vilom Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing. This alternate nostril breathing has a very profound effect to alter the state of our consciousness because it helps us to enter into the deeper realms beyond our physical. Anuloma Viloma, which is the alternate nostril breathing, also allows to bring a balance between both the hemispheres of the brain. We have the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. The right hemisphere is the emotional side of the brain, the creative aspect of it, and the left hemisphere is the logical side. Most of the time in our day-to-day life, we are a little lopsided. We are either too logical or sometimes we are too emotional. We need to find a balance in that. And this particular breathing practice, alternate nostril breathing or Anuloma Viloma, will help you to achieve a fine balance between both the hemispheres of the brain, the creative and the logical aspect, the emotional and the analytical aspect. Both are required. When you practice, if you have cold, just be a little cautious. Don't overexert and don't let to go to that point that the breathing becomes even tiring or the nostril starts getting blocked. Just take a little care of that. Otherwise, when you do this breathing practice, it has so many benefits that it is very difficult to describe in this video. The few benefits are, it can help to manage the blood pressure, it can help to induce sleep, it can help to relax, calm the mind, it can be very good for acidity, and so on and so forth. Mostly everyone can do it. Just make sure if you're having too cold, just avoid this practice. Instead of breathing from both the nostril, from one nostril, you can breathe from both the nostril. That is also fine. Now, let us understand the technical part of this. If you can practice this regularly, you will be able to go deeper within your own self. And that's the reason why before meditation, if you can do this, it will be always better. So if you want to see the sequence, you can do Anuloma Viloma, then you can do Ujjayi, then you can do Brahmari, and then you can enter into meditation. Now, when we do this, the position of the hands is the other hand which is relaxed, can be in Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra, and one hand, which is the right hand which I am using, can be in Vishnu Mudra or Pranav Mudra or Nasi Mudra. And there are different ways people keep the hand like this. Either they can keep two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger at the center of the eyebrow and do it, or they can keep the two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger inside and do it. I will keep it inside because it becomes very easy to manipulate, to close one nostril and open the other. One more thing to keep in mind is when you do this, you don't have to press the nostril too hard to close. It is a very soft touch to press it very gently so that the breath can flow easily and still the other nostril which is closing can be closed gently. Don't press it too hard. It's not nasi pida, it's not paining the nostril. It is with comfort. Whenever you do this, you start from the left nostril. You inhale from the left nostril and after inhaling, you close the left nostril and you exhale from right nostril. From where you have exhaled, Anuloma Viloma, now again in the reverse order, you have to breathe. You will have to breathe now from the right, then close the right nostril and exhale from the left. So in this particular practice, one nostril is open and one nostril is closed. Anuloma Viloma. From where we have exhaled, we again inhale from there. Anulom is moving in front, Viloma, Anuloma going forward, Viloma is to come back. So let's do this practice. I will do just 2 rounds, which is purely focusing on inhalation and exhalation. But when you do this, make sure that your inhalation and exhalations are smoother and deeper, not deeper and forceful. The breath has to be calmer when it moves, very soft and gentle when it moves, not forceful, not strenuous. Always keep that in mind. So I'm using my right hand in Vishnu Mudra, also called as Nasi Mudra or Pranava Mudra. I keep it at the nostril. I inhale from the left nostril. Make sure that the shoulder, the hand that you are using, that shoulder is relaxed. It's not lifted up. So now I'm breathing, inhaling from the left, soft and deep. No much pressure on the right nostril. Then I close my left, I open my right, I exhale from the right. After slow and complete exhalation, I again breathe in from the right. Closing the right, opening the left, exhaling from the left. Here my one round becomes complete. Left to right, and then again from right to left is one round. I am going to do now 2 more rounds. Left inhalation, right exhalation, right inhalation, left exhalation. My second round got over. I'm going to do 1 more round. Left inhalation, right exhalation, right inhalation, left exhalation, I finished my 3 rounds here. When you do this, at least for about 3 to 5 minutes you should practice. Also, most of the time you will find that one nostril is always dominating, more active. If it's the right nostril which is very active, I will be most of the time very active, very aggressive. And if my left nostril is too active all the time, I will be very passive. We don't want to be too aggressive, too active, we don't want to be too passive. And that's why this particular Anuloma Viloma or alternate nostril can allow both the nostrils to work in a better way. Again, bringing balance between activity and dullness. And in between, again bringing a balance between both the hemispheres of the brain, the creative and also the logical. Before you enter into this, you can also watch one of our video which is called as Nadi Shodhana. Nadi means the channels, the subtle energy channels or the channels through which the energy flows, and Shodhana means purifying. If you do Nadi Shodhana and after that if you do this Anulom Vilom, it becomes even effective. So keep practicing, keep enjoying, keep breathing, keep living, because when you breathe nicely, you live your life to the fullest. Friends, if you are liking our video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, any questions, please feel free to write to us. We will revert it back to you. Thank you. Namaste.